Installation of the soft closer for one-line doors. Unscrew the screws and separate the actuator into two parts, the grip and the base. Screw the plug to the base of the actuator. Fix the base of the actuator on the right door. Connect the two parts of the actuator with screws at the required distance. Fix the soft closer with self-tapping screws on the left door. Adjust the grip height using the adjusting screw. Check the door operation.